Welcome to Kevdyne Channel. Today we are kicking off a 3-part series to master Wireshark, the ultimate tool to spy on network traffic like a pro. In today's video, you will learn what Wireshark is, how to install it, and capture your first packets. Perfect for beginners. Hit that like, subscribe, and let's dive into the video. Wireshark is a free tool that lets you see every piece of data flowing through your network. This can be Wi-Fi, Ethernet, even Bluetooth. Think of it as an X-ray glass for the internet. It is used to fix slow networks, spot hackers, and even learn how internet works. Beginners, don't you worry. We are starting simple here. Wireshark grabs packets, tiny data chunks, and shows you what they are doing. Let's see why it's awesome. Here are some Wireshark superpowers. The first one, Wireshark works everywhere, and I mean Windows, macOS, even Linux. The second superpower is live capture. This helps you see data in real time. The third superpower, it is deep analysis. This helps you peek into packet in details, full details. Filters is the fourth superpower. This focuses on specific traffic like web browsing. Graphs is the last superpower. This helps you visualize data trends. In general, Wireshark is like a detective kit for networks, and it's free. Let's get it in your computer. Installing Wireshark is easy peasy. Let's start with Windows or macOS users. Go to wireshark.org, link in the description box down below. Now make sure you download the best installer for your operating system, whether it is Windows or macOS. Just choose for yourself. The third step, run the installer, accept all defaults, and install npkep. This helps you capture all packets. And the fourth last step, make sure you open Wireshark from your desktop. Now before we go ahead into the video, let's get into the Linux users, and I talk all Linux distros. Open your terminal by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T. Type in sudo apt install Wireshark, say yes to all non-root capture. But if you are a Kali user, this is the best part that I like about Wireshark. It is pre-installed. Amazing, right? Okay, if it fails, check the admin rights or comment down below. Let's open it. Launch Wireshark and you will see a list of interfaces, your network connections. For instance, you can see Wi-Fi as LAN or Ethernet as FO. Now look for an active interface. Double click it to start capturing packets. Beginners, pick Wi-Fi if unsure. You can switch later on. Interfaces are like those to your network's traffic. Let's capture it. Now here's the fun part. Select your interface, for example Wi-Fi. Click on start and you'll see packets flood the packet list. Open a browser, visit google.com to generate traffic. Watch DNS, or you can say website lookups, and HTTP web data packets appear. And for example, let's say you want to save any traffic that you have captured. Make sure you click on stop button, go to file, then save as, name it anything. For example, first_capture.pkpng. Now let me have a simple word with all beginners that are watching this video right now. Packets are like mail. Each has a sender, receiver, and a message. Try this now. Pause, capture, and save the traffic you have found. Wireshark's screen is your control center. The first one, filter bar, type to focus. For instance, you can type in HTTP for web. Now the second one, packet list. This one shows packets with time, source, destination, and protocol. In the third place, we have packet details. Click a packet to see its guts. This includes IP addresses or ports. The fourth one, status bar. This one tracks packet count. Now, also a word for beginners. Focus on the packet list. It's where the action is. Click a packet to explore its details. Let's troubleshoot. If you do not see any packets, don't you worry, because here's why that's happening. The first reason, there is no traffic at all. Browse a site or go into your terminal and ping port 8888, okay? Just write in 8.8.8.8, alright? Now, the second reason, there is wrong interface. Switch to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, okay? Now, the third reason, promiscuous mode. Go to capture, options, enable it to grab all traffic. Still stuck? Comment down below. Now let's wrap things up with protocols. Packets use protocols. This is like rules for the network communication. We have HTTP, this for web browsing, DNS for website lookups, TCP, reliable data, okay? It's like for emails. And we have UDP. This is for fast data or streaming. Beginners, think of protocols as languages computers speak. Knowing them helps you read Wireshark's output. Check my Protocols 101 video in the description for more. I'll make it in the future actually. You are now a Wireshark rookie. You have installed it, captured packets, and learned the basics. In the next episode, we'll dive into the filtering and analyzing packets to uncover network secrets. Don't miss it. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now here's my call to action. Try capturing packets right now. Also go ahead and like the video, comment your questions, and share this video with your hacker crew or any friends you have. Don't you forget, links to Wireshark and my guides are dropped in the description box below. Thanks for joining episode 1 Kevdyne fam. We are just getting started here. Episode 2 is coming soon. See you there. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.